Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie, one of the NetSuite consultants at Concentris, and on this video we'll walk through how to make your saved CSV imports or mappings public so that other users can access and use them. This is a very simple process. I have a demo account here that we can use. We'll navigate to Setup, Import/Export, and click Saved CSV Imports. Now this should display all of the saved CSV imports you have in the system. Currently we can see all of them even though they are private because we are in the administrator role. But now if we were to choose one of these to make public for all users based off of perhaps their roles or the user or employee record level, we'll come to this access column here and hit the private hyperlink. And all we need to do is check public, and it will automatically check the select all for the roles. Now you can uncheck this and just click the actual individual roles that you would like to provide this access to. And you can also manage at the employee level as well. So you can choose to select all employees or click one by one. This is also a multi-select field. And then we also have different segmentations controls such as subsidiaries, departments, groups or partners, etc. Very similar to saved searches or reports or any of the other access or audience tabs we have in the system. So once you have the correct settings, we can hit save. And the screen should refresh. And now the one we were working with was this test invoice workflow trigger. And you can see that it's now public. And you'll notice that this allow audience to edit field was actually grayed out before we went ahead and saved with this public checkbox. So now it's available for us to select. So this allows them to edit as well as have access to the saved mapping. All right, so that is the process of making your saved CSV imports public and allowing them to edit as well. Thanks for listening.